This is my Lovable website. You can see the preview of this website is here. You can see the preview of this website is here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a Lovable website into WordPress Gutenberg page builder. You can see this is fully editable into the Gutenberg, and if I show you the preview of this website into WordPress, this is the preview into the WordPress, and this is the editable in the Gutenberg. So in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide how you can convert a Lovable website into the WordPress Gutenberg page builder. So let me get started. To clone website into WordPress Gutenberg, you need to visit this website, softlight.io/clonewebx, and here you just need to click on go to app. Here you just need to click on continue with Google and log in here. After login, you will be here into the dashboard. Your dashboard can be different because I have the premium subscription here. So here you just need to click on add new project, and here you can just name the project here. I have named it the Gutenberg WordPress clone. So here you just need to paste the Lovable website URL here. So I will just copy the URL that I want to clone into Gutenberg, and here I will paste. So here I just click on create project. Now you can see here are some instructions you need to follow. Here you can see the install the extension. So here you just need to click on this link. Here it will redirect you to the Chrome extension. So this extension you just need to add into your Chrome, because I have already added this, so I don't need to add this. So next is you need to load the page fully. So I have already loaded the page fully here. So now I will just again refresh to make sure. Now you can see I have reloaded it, and here you can see in my extension, I will just click on this extension on the same page, and here I will select the project that I have recently added. So for example, I have added Gutenberg WordPress clone. So here I have added, and here you just need to click on add page. So within few seconds it will load the website again into the new tab. Now you can see it has been loaded. So here you just need to click here and select the entire page, because we are going to clone in the entire page into the Gutenberg. And here instead of Elementor, you just need to click on here and select the Gutenberg. Now you can see you need to install this plugin. So you just need to click here to install this plugin. So this plugin will be downloaded, and then we need to install into our WordPress. So here you can see I have already downloaded this plugin. I will go back into my WordPress dashboard, and here you just need to click on plugins and click on add new. And here you just need to click on upload plugin, and here we just need to drag and drop the plugin that we have recently downloaded. For example, here is the plugin, so I will drag it here, click on install now. Now click on activate the plugin. The plugin has been activated. Now I will click on pages and add a page to clone the page into the Gutenberg. So here this is the preview, so I just remove that, and here I will just say, so I have named it clone into the Gutenberg, and here I will just go back into our page here, and here you just need to click on export into the last. So here you just need to wait few seconds. Now you just need to click on copy to clipboard. Now the whole page has been copied into the clipboard. I will go back here, and here you just need to press Ctrl+V to paste the data here. So I will press Ctrl+V from my keyboard here. Now after pasting the code here, you can see the page has been editable here. If you click on any element, you can just make the changes here. For example, if I click here, I just click here, and here you can see we can change the text. And here you can see this is the rating we can change. So everything is editable here. So I will just save this page, and let me preview this page by clicking on this preview button. Now this is the live preview of the page. You can see this is working perfectly, and if you go back, so this is the backend. In the backend you can make changes, for example text changes, and on the front end it will be changed automatically. So this is how you can convert or clone any page or any Lovable website into the Gutenberg. So I have already created the video how you can do that. Same for the Elementor. You can just check out the video into the description. So I hope you love this video, and if you love this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much. In the next video, I will show you how you can make this kind of a website, or convert this kind of website fully functional into the Elementor. So wait for the next video.